Welcome. We want to manage app permissions in your Archos Access 57. Let's go for the settings. Then we have to scroll down and enter apps and the permissions. Right now, scroll down one more time and tap on the permissions. And as you can see, right now we are able to adjust notifications on the lock screen. Manage permissions. So I will grant the permission for the location for one of the app on the list. So I'm going to do this for the files and also for the live weather. And of course you can grant it for any other permissions like the microphone. And the same thing, you have to just simply tap on the switcher. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.